Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dashiva, your host for every single video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get the super rare ringtone in Discord. You know that super rare ringtone? It's kind of like a remix. It's very awesome and people love it, but it's just the fact that you have a 0.00000.1 chance of getting it. And you know what happened to me yesterday? I got that ringtone. And then I was like, oh no, I really want that again. So I was researching crazy on YouTube and I found out a way to get that every single time. If anyone's called you, every single time, you'll get that ringtone. And you might be like, what? Well, yeah, that's actually too. But before we start, make sure that you subscribe because look, the entire world is telling you to subscribe to me. So do that, and then we'll start. Well, I guess we can start now. Okay. Oh, I'm on my screen recorder. Sorry. So this is my other account, which was actually disabled, but got it back up. So let me add. Okay. I have no idea what I'm saying. So first of all, you're gonna open up the Discord app. You need to have the Discord app for this, but if you have the website, then it's kind of sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, and you want it every time. So definitely you want to open up the app Discord. Now, if you're on Windows, go press Control Shift and I. On Mac, it might be Command Shift and I. I'm on Windows, so Control Shift I is the one that I press. And you're gonna go onto the console page, not Elements, console, and then copy paste the code over here. I put this code in the description below. Copy paste it there, which I'm gonna do right now. I've copy pasted it and I'll hit enter. Okay, now that we've hit enter on our keyboard, you can close it. So now anytime anyone calls you, you'll get that ringtone. And I'm like, what? That's so quick. Well, let me make you hear the ringtone. So I had this account, which I used to use, but now it got blocked, and then now I got it back up, like I said before. So I'm gonna call my Discord account, and you're gonna see. You're gonna hear the ringtone. Now there might be some interruption in the ringtone because the calling sound will also come. But I know I have an idea. We'll just mute the site. Yep, that should definitely go up. Now it should not come up. I think the issues will here. So we're gonna start the voice call, and let's hear the ringtone. Look at that, boy. That worked. See, I told you it's gonna work. I told you it's gonna work. That worked. Look at that. Did you see it? I love that ringtone so much. It's literally a remix. And that's just so amazing. It's so rare that now you get it every single time you get a call. I mean, everyone's crazy, but it's gonna soon become a common ringtone. And the usual ringtone I originally get, it's kind of boring. So I think it's pretty cool. Let's actually do that again. It's so amazing. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm wasting time, but we're doing it. So you saw that, right? It's just amazing, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more studies, and I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.